getting in some more news from the same case of the Judge Cash scandal that took place in the national capital. And now the Allahabad High Court Bar Association has said that it is in touch with 26 High Court Bar Associations from across the country, calling for support on the reintroduction of the National Judicial Appointments Commission Bill. The same thing that we also heard from the president of the Allahabad High Court Bar Association, Anil Tiwari, just a while back with my colleague Soumya. Soumya continues to join us live on the broadcast from outside the Allahabad High Court to get us more details. Soumya, rapid developments in the case. The fact that they are in touch with 26 High Court Bar Associations seems like this is a call in unison for the reconsideration of the NJAC. Talk to us about that, Soumya.
Yes, Gesu, as earlier mentioned, a unified call for reintroduction of NJAC bill is growing day by day. Ever since this news broke, every other day we are seeing this indication towards the reintroduction of the NJAC bill. Now we have this confirmation from the Allahabad High Court Bar Association President Anil Tiwari, wherein he has confirmed that a letter is being sent out today to the Government of India demanding the reintroduction of the NJAC bill. With that, he has also confirmed that the Allahabad High Court Bar Association is in touch with 26 Bar Association of High Courts across the country. Few of the states from that list are Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Gujarat, Uttarakhand, among others. This is huge as the chorus for NJAC bill is increasing day by day. As per the lawyers here who have gathered and as per the president himself, they are demanding this because of the collapse in the Supreme Court collegium. They're saying that there is no transparency, and for that transparency to be back, there is a need for the NJAC bill to be back in the system again. Back to you.
Right, Soumya, thanks very much for getting us those details. In fact, I'd also like to ask you, you had repeated the same details earlier also, however, we were not clear on the numbers. And the numbers now seem to be huge. And they have pressed for a demand of the comeback for NJAC. Speak to us about the demands that were put in front of you by the president of the Allahabad High Court Bar Association, Anil Tiwari, just a little while back when you spoke to him. Soumya.
Yes, well, when Anil Tiwari spoke to us, he has made it very clear that he, the president of the Allahabad High Court Bar Association, is in touch with 26 High Court Bar Associations from across the country, and the demands are very simple. There are just two demands, one of them being the reintroduction of the NJAC bill, the letter for which will be sent out today itself. In that letter, they have also demanded for the review of the previous NJAC case. So these are the demands that are being made by the Allahabad High Court with support from the 26 others High Court Bar Associations from across the country. The demands are being made because they believe that there is no transparency. So we are now, this Yashwant Verma controversy has snowballed into a unified chorus for reintroduction of NJAC bill. Stay tuned as we bring in more details from Ground Zero. We will be back after a short break. Keep watching Republic TV.